All right, good morning, class. Today, we're going to be speaking about rhythm. So, more specifically, we're going to be talking about syncopation. Does anybody know what syncopation is? Okay, that's all right. Syncopation is where you're playing consistently off the beat. So, what that means is instead of playing on the beat, you'll be off the beat. So, it'll sound like this. Hopefully you heard that in the video. So, the way that we are going to get around doing this is we're going to start by playing eighth notes. So just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and by the way, we're not going to be using our instruments, so we're just going to be clapping today. So, I'm going to get a metronome set up and we'll get started. So, while we're playing eighth notes, I want you to start by doing an accent. Remember accents we were talking about in the last class? We're going to do that on the beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'll do that together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah, and let's slow this down a little bit. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to move that accent from the beat, and we're going to use the accent on the and of the beat. So that's going to sound like this. Alright, now everybody do it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Now try to do that same thing, except make sure you tap your foot. 1, 2, ready, go. And make sure that when you're tapping your foot, that you tap your foot on the beat with the metronome and not with the accent. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. And now what I want you to do is take off the small beat. So we're not going to play on the beat. We're just going to play what we were accenting. So that's going to be like this. Alright, now everybody do that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's see if you can do it on your own. While remember to tap your feet as well. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, and now just to make sure that we get out of our seats and have some fun, what we're going to do is, since you were just tapping your feet, hopefully you can alternate that, and we're going to march around a little bit. So, get up out of your seat, and we're just going to march around with that. So, let's go. And if you want to get a little bit creative, you can. Alright, now I'll sit back down. And we're going to look at the rhythm which is on the board. Hopefully you can see that. So does anybody know the counts for that? Yeah. So I'm going to write that in. So that's 1, 2, and 4. So that's going to sound like with the metronome is this. 1, 2, and 4. Alright, now let's see if everybody can do that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 4. Now do it without me and without counting. 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, make sure you don't play on beat 3. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Yep, that's how it goes. And if you have any trouble with that later, you can always try whenever there's the beat that you're not supposed to play on, just do this. So that'll be 1, 2, and 4. All right, that's all I have.